Hi friends, this lesson is for Module 2, Lesson 7. Last night I was thinking about that math tool that I totally love. Although it was naughty last time I tried to use it, I'm going to try to use it again today. Did you guess it? Yep, it's the 10 frame. You know I love it. It helps keep me organized when I'm doing my math. So here we go. Last time I tried to fill it in, it didn't cooperate, but today it's going to. Now a 10 frame is great because when you fill it all in, you have 10 of something and you can see it and it's organized. Let's go ahead and fill in this 10 frame with 10 items. What? You have got to be kidding me. It didn't fill it in again? Ugh. Friends, I don't have 10 in there. How many do I have in there? 8? This isn't an 8 frame. Goodness gracious. How many more do I need to add to my 10 frame in order to fill it up? Did you say 2? Thank you. You're right. 2 more. There we go. Now I had 8 and I added 2 more. If I wanted to say that as a number sentence, because you know I love them, I could say 8 plus 2 equals 10. Ah, now my 10 frame is all filled up, just like I like it. You know what? This naughty little 10 frame is actually going to be really helpful today. If you think about this 10 frame, where I had 8 and I had to add 2 more to make 10, that's going to help us with our learning goal. Our learning goal says I can make a 10 to add when 8 is an addend. Let's try it. Anna found 8 pumpkins at the pumpkin patch. Gabriel found 4 more. How many pumpkins did they find? I'm going to go ahead and show you my thinking with the picture. Anna found 8 pumpkins at the pumpkin patch. There we go, 8 beautiful pumpkins. Gabriel found 4 more. How many pumpkins did they find? Well, you know what I wish I could do? I wish I could just slide those pumpkins over and make a 10. That makes it easier. Boo, I can't. You can't just do that. You can't just move things around, especially when it's a picture. So what else could I do? Let's see. I could add 8 plus 4 and just count up. But you know what? I remembered our learning goal said to try to make a 10. Well, if Anna found 8 pumpkins, I need to figure out how many pumpkins I could add to that 8 to make 10. I'm going to go ahead and circle all the pumpkins I see to make a 10. Ta-da! There, I did the 8 plus 2, just like our 10 frame, and I made 10. Now I want to look to see how many pumpkins are left over. I don't want to leave them out. They'll be sad. Yep, there are 2. Now I'm going to rewrite that sentence. 10 plus 2 equals. Now I can use my good brain to figure that out. It equals 12. And that also answers the question, 8 plus 4 equals 12. Good job. All right, friend, now it's your turn to practice it with me. I want you to go ahead and get a dry erase board or your math journal. Make sure it's erased or you have a nice clean spot, and we're going to go ahead and do this next number sentence together, or this next word story together. Press pause if you need to get your materials, otherwise just keep going. Ready? Okay. Aiden won 8 Pokeballs. Joshua won 6 Ultra Pokeballs. Goodness. How many balls do they have for their game? All right, here we go. I'm going to have you go ahead and show your thinking. Press pause until you've drawn your pictures and then press play when you're ready. Aiden won 8 Pokeballs. Go ahead and draw that. Okay. Joshua won 6 Ultra Pokeballs. Go ahead and draw that. All right, now that you have your picture done, don't do anything else, but let's go ahead and let's look to see what your picture looks like. I said Aiden won 8 Pokeballs, so there's my 8 Pokeballs, and Joshua won 6 Ultra Pokeballs. There they are. All right, perfect. Now it says, how many balls do they have for their game? I could add 8 plus 6, but I know our learning goal said to try to make a 10. So I'm going to try to make a 10. On your board, I would like you to go ahead and circle, using your 8, circle some of the Ultra Balls that I need to make an 8 with the, to make a 10 with the 8 Pokeballs that Aiden won. Does yours look like mine? Yep, I had 8 and I circled 2 more. All right, now I'm going to rewrite that number sentence. Oh, but I can't do that yet until I look to see what I had. I made a 10, and I had 4 left over. So my new number sentence would be, what do you think? Go ahead and press pause while you write a number sentence using that 10 and 4 to find how many they had all together. Did you write 10 plus 4? Excellent job. Now I can just go ahead and use my good brain to find the answer. 10 plus 4 equals, go ahead and write it down. What do you think? Yep, 14. And that must mean 8 plus 6 also equals 14. Good job. All right, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back and say, I'm amazing. All right, erase your board or find a new spot in your math journal. Here we go. Ooh, I'm going to have us do a little bit more with this story problem. I could say 8 and blank make 10. 8 and I'm going to fill in this sentence. You don't have to write this sentence down, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. 8 and how many do I need to add to 8 to make 10? Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Miss Arden messed up. I'm sorry, friends. I wasn't paying attention to what I need to do. I could say the number sentence 8 and 6 make 14. My bad. Or I could circle the 10 and I could say I have 10 and 4. So that would be 10 and 4 make 14. Now I see what I need to do. If I see the two sentences, I want to fill in what the two different number sentences I could do, but actually putting them into words. Now I see. Sorry about that confusion. Here we go. We'll keep cruising. All right. It says, oh, erase your board if you didn't. Okay. Jack was playing Minecraft and mined 8 diamonds. The next day, he found 7 more. How many diamonds does he have now? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and draw my good picture, and you do it too. Jack was playing Minecraft and mined 8 diamonds. Go ahead and draw a picture of his 8 diamonds and press play when you're ready. The next day, he found 7 more. Go ahead and draw a picture to show your thinking on that. Okay, good. Pause right there. We don't want to do anything else. Let's keep cruising. Go ahead and see if your picture matches mine. It says he was playing Minecraft and he mined 8 diamonds. And the next day, he found 7 more. If I wrote that as a number sentence, I would just say 8 and blank make blank. Okay, I would say 8 and 7 make, what do you think? Go ahead and say 8 and count up 7 on your magic counting sticks. Put your marker down or your pencil down. Say 8 and count up 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15. If I wanted to, I could go ahead and do our learning goal and circle 10. I want you to go ahead and do that right now. Oops. Sorry, I did a little fast. Yep, I circled 10. I had the 8 and I added 2 more. That means I have 10 right there, and I have 5 that I haven't circled as part of my group. How could I fill in this sentence then? 10 and blank make blank. Go ahead and write that sentence on your board. 10 and blank make blank, and try to fill it in. Okay, I have 10 and, well, I want to get the rest of those diamonds. 5 make all the diamonds that I have together. 15. Good job. All right. Erase your boards. Here we go. All right, the next one says, 3 minions went to the park to play. 8 more minions joined in the fun. How many minions were playing together now? All right, I'm going to have you go ahead and draw a picture of your thinking. 3 minions went to the park to play. Go ahead and show me that on your boards. Good. Then it said 8 more minions joined the fun. Go ahead and show me a picture of the 8 more minions on your board. Good. Now what I would like you to do is I want you to go ahead and circle a group of 10 before I show you anything else. Good. All right. You should have used that 8 and just added 2 more and circled a good group of 10. Good. Let's see if your picture matches mine. It says 3 minions went to the park to play. And then 8 more minions joined in the fun. How many minions were playing together? I could say 8 and 3, or I could change it into a 10. What I would like you to do right now is this is the picture that you're going to, or this is the problem that you're going to send to your teacher. So I want you to write down the sentences. 8 and blank make blank. I don't want you to change anything. I want you to do 8 and 3 make blank. But then I want you to circle a group of 10 and rewrite it. 10 and what make what. Okay? Go ahead when you're done with this and seesaw to your teacher. Good luck, friends.